Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna showcase the new update for Effectsflow. Right now is the version 1.73. Let me start my screen record. So the first thing we've changed, and it's actually big change, but some of you might not notice it, is that now you can actually use all of the animations inside any language of Premiere Pro. Whether you use German, French, Chinese or whatever, you will be able to use it and actually change the settings in. You'll be able to change anything, even if you're on a different language than English. Now let me show you what we've actually added in. A few text animations, but here is not so complicated that I need to really show you. So first we have to disable the preview. And now we'll actually get the animation. It's a timer which has different looks to it. Personally, I like this one. And you can change literally anything. Let's say we make it like this. And the duration, let's do like 10 seconds because we have a finish animation which is super clean. Boom, looks super premium. This is the first thing. Now we have disable and enable buttons, UI that you can use, which have different looks. And we've also made it so you can enable it with the text animations. Perfect animation. And yeah, here you can instantly make it disable or enable, however you want. But it's a perfect animation, so it should be enabled. Next, we have all of these statistics that you can use for your infographics, for your videos, like this. Let me actually zoom in so you see better. See, and we can literally change anything basically, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. Yeah, the countdown timer, it was asked because we had the normal timer and people wanted a countdown as well. So now it's here. And what's cool about this is, for example, if you have seconds only, it instantly knows. So let's make it. Let me show you from here. You see, it looks super clean. Here you place it in the corner so people know when the chapter ends for your video. Something like this. Now, one of the biggest things I would say is this iPhone side pop-up, which you see, like, it's nuts. So I would make it like this, and
so premium and good.
Look, it instantly looks. So to change the image on your phone, all you have to do is go here and replace from Finder or the Windows alternative. And you can do is fit to frame, and for example, I can also zoom in on my face, move it down, and change the point where the video starts. And yeah, we can change the position of the iPhone. Let me show you. For whatever reason you wanted to make it like this and maybe position it on the other side, it's super easy to do. I mean, here I have to change the video down below it so it looks proper. And disable the shadow. Sorry, this. So now it looks good. So this is a huge thing because getting an animation like this normally would take a lot of time, but now with a little double click and replacing the video inside of it, you get this, which is crazy. We got these new arrows that are animated, so you can easily point out to anything in your video. Look at his chin. And yeah, we've got some new sound effects, which are already a lot, but we are adding them as we want. I will make some more in-depth tutorials on how to use specific things, but this is the very far away overview of the new update because there's a lot of in-depth stuff that was changed, but this is most visible stuff that I could really show you. Thank you, and check your emails if you've purchased already to get it. Thank you. Peace.